Hi, if you're new here, welcome to my channel. Today's tutorial is going to be on the cut crease. So make sure to subscribe for more videos. To start with, I'm going to find the crease with my darkest color of my Trio palette, Glowing Global. The crease is where the place you have some extra skin, depending on the eye shape you have, more or less. Hooded eyes are the shape that have most, like my eyes. So, when the crease has been found, from the outer corner to the inner corner, I'm going to buff it until it looks soft and nice. I place the most on the outer corner of my crease, on my lid. And now I'm going to blend it out into the inner corner without reaching the inner corner. Now I'm going to do the inner corner of my eye with a lighter color. It's a very light pink, almost white. And I'm going to blend both colors together where they join, just about in the center. That's how you want. You can put 3/4 or 1/4. It depends on if you want a cut crease that is half or a whole cut crease. Now I'm going to intensify this line. Just figure out where my line is again. And out the outer corner. From the corner to the cut crease. Makes a little line. And right there, I'm going to use my pencil that is charcoal. And I'm going to put my line on the cut crease to intensify the crease. And that again, you do like you want. If you want a darker or a lighter, but I want a darker, so I'm going to put a lot of this pencil crayon on my eye. It's kind of a gray color, like the same as my eyeshadow, so it's perfect for that. And then the line from the crease to the outer corner. And after, I'm going to take my brush and I'm going to blend out that color to the inner corner of my crease. Of course, if you put a lot of the pencil, you're going to need to blend for a long time. Well, not that long, but I mean longer than if you had just put a little bit. So I'm going to blend that perfectly until I'm satisfied with the result. Once I'm totally satisfied, I'm going to clean on the outer lash. And now I'm going to put my pigments, which are similar color, pink, but almost white. And I'm going to put it on the other color just to intensify it. And then I'm going to blend both colors together. Now I'm going to cut the crease even more with concealer on my brush. And I'm applying it as well as highlighting my eyebrow. Now I will take my liquid shimmer, which is Affair number 902. For more precise work, I'm applying it before on my small flat defining brush. And then I'm applying it in the inner corner on the crease to then again define the line. Now I'm going to take my black eyeliner by Cynthia Cosmetics and go from the inner corner onto the outer corner, and I'm going to complete with my little line up to my crease. Now after that is done, you can either put some black mascara on or you can put fake eyelashes. And for today I'm putting on my fake eyelashes. There we go. On the inner corner. And then I'm going to apply the same concealer on my brush, but then on my lower lid. And I'm going to take all away all the little shimmery that fell, because I don't want my eyes to look fatigued because of the shimmery, which is gray. So I'm just going to put that concealer, swipe off the excess, and with the same pencil crayon I did my crease, intensified my crease with, I'm going to put it in the lower lash line. Now that my lid is all cleaned up. And then again, it's by choice, but I prefer to put some black mascara on the bottom of my eye. Just a little bit. And here we go. So please stay tuned for other videos.